Good evening to all of you. Welcome to Tilottama Handlooms YouTube channel. Piyali is our new member. So from today she will show you the sarees. If you like the sarees, please take the screenshot and WhatsApp us. And WhatsApp number you all know, that is 7890721706. And if you like our sarees, like our video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for your regular notification. So let's start to see our sarees today. This is our first saree. This is linen Banarsi saree, and this is organic linen, pure linen. The upper half of small border and lower half of the border is the little bit thicker border, and it's Banarsi work, full zari work in the pallu. This is the pallu, and it has a running blouse piece. This is the running blouse piece in red, and this is the golden zari buta all over the saree. This is our next saree in blue color combination, blue with golden zari weaving border, and it has a small border in upper side and golden kolka motifs in the all over the saree. It's a big border in the lower side. This is the saree look, and it has a jamdani work, full zari weaving jamdani work in the pallu. This is a saree, and all over the saree have the same, going through like same way, and it has a running blouse piece in blue. This is another linen Banarsi saree. It's organic linen, linen by cotton, and this saree price is also 2950. If you like the saree, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. This is another color of linen Banarsi. This is chocolate brown color body. It has the same small border in upper side, and lower side border is the thick broad border, and zari weaving design all over the saree like this, going through like this all over the saree, and it has the golden zari weaving border, and it has a golden zari weaving pallu design all over the pallu, going through like this beautiful pallu, and it has the same running blouse piece. All these lilens are organic linen, and this linen price is also 2950. This is another saree in linen Banarsi. This is pink color body, and this saree have the all over jal work design. See the close look of the body design. This is the zari weaving design all over the saree, and it's real looking real Banarsi, but this is the linen Banarsi. This is organic linen, and this is the pallu. This is the pallu design, and now she show you the blouse piece. Yeah, this is a plain blouse piece, and it's running blouse piece. This color is pink. This is a very beautiful sweet pink color body with the golden zari weaving design all over the saree, and it has a plain pink color blouse piece. And this saree price is 2950, and if you like the saree, please take a screenshot. This is another color of linen Banarsi. This is orange color body with golden work all over the saree. See the close look of the design. All these are zari weaving design, and I am showing you the pallu right now. This is the pallu. All these work are full hand woven work, and this zari weaving work are very intricate designing on linen. These are the organic linen, and this saree is all over the saree have this gorgeous beautiful work on it, and it has a plain blouse piece. It's a running blouse piece in plain orange color plain blouse piece. This linen saree price is also 2950. This is another organic linen saree. This saree has no border. It has the line up design on it, and it has also the same zari work, zari weaving work, and this is a zari weaving work, panel work design all over the saree, and pallu is plain. This is the pallu, beautiful pallu, and blouse piece is running. Yes, this is the blouse piece, and this saree price is 2005. This is another color combination in organic linen. This is actually pista green. It's not blue one, it's pista green without border, and it has the same panel work design with golden zari, and the pallu is plain. This is the pallu, and blouse piece is running. This is blouse piece. This color is not bluish, it's greenish pista green actually. If you like the saree, tell us. I will show you the original picture in WhatsApp, then you can understand the original color. So this is the saree look. If you like the saree, please take a screenshot. This is next color combination in organic linen. This is chocolate brown. It's dark chocolate brown body without border, and it has the panel work design all over the sari. All over the sari going through like the same way, and this is the pallu. This is the pallu, and blouse piece is running in plain chocolate brown color. If you like the sari, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. This is another Lilian Jamdani sari. This is the floral motif. This is the floral motif all over the sari. The motifs designed by in golden zari, and the body color is very beautiful. It's double shade of pink and purple color combination actually. This is the pallu, and the blouse piece is in contrast red. This is the blouse piece in contrast red. And this sari price is 2550. If you like the sari, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. This is another Lilian Jamdani sari. It's a Korat Lilian Jamdani sari. It has typical Jamdani work border, both side border with a golden zari, and all over the body is in orange color body, and this is the close look of the border design, and all over the sari is in orange, and it has the contrast pink color pallu, and it has the golden buttas all over the pallu. This is the contrast pink color pallu, and the blouse piece is running its contrast red color blouse, and this sari price is also 2950. If you like the sari, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. This is another Lilian Jamdani work in Korat design. This is bottle green color body all over the sari in bottle green color, and it has a golden zari in Jamdani work border, and it has a small piping in yellow color, and pallu is it's not contrast, it's running pallu with the small butta design, and it has a running blouse piece in the contrast yellow. This is the sari look. If you like the sari, please take a screenshot. This is another color combination in Lilian Jamdani work. It has a typical Korat work in the both side border, and this is the plain body color. This is the mixed color of purple and pink. This is a cross color, double shade color, and looking like violet color, and this is the pallu in red color. Very uncommon color combination, violet with red, and butta design in zari all over the pallu. Beautiful color combination, and it has the running blouse piece in red, contrast running blouse piece in red. This sari price is 2950. This is another sari, another Lilian Jamdani in Korat design. It has the contrast border in red. It's dark red border with the golden zari, and it has the running pallu. Running pallu, it is in grey and red buttas all over the pallu, and the blouse piece is in running. This is the blouse piece, this is the pallu, and it all over the sari is in grey with red color combination. Very beautiful color combination. This is the sari look. This is another color combination. This is orange color body with golden zari Korat work on the borders, and all over the sari is in orange, and it has the contrast pallu in red, and this is orange with red color combination. This pallu is in red with golden buttas all over the pallu, and it has the running blouse piece in red color combination. It's a contrast red color blouse piece also as the pallu. This is the sari look. If you like the sari, please take a screenshot. The sari price is 2950. This is our next sari. It's bottle green color body. It has no piping work on it. Previously I show one sari with the yellow color piping on it with same bottle green color, but this sari is without piping. It's plain Korat work border, both side border, and body color is bottle green, dark green, and plain body, and contrast pallu. This is green colored contrast pallu with the golden motifs on it, and the blouse piece is also running its contrast blouse piece in as pallu color. It's green color. So this is the sari look. If you like the sari, please take a screenshot. All these saris are pure linen. This is the pure linen by Lilian Jamdani sari. All the saris are pure quality, pure handloom Lilian Jamdani sari. If you like, please take a screenshot. This is another sari. This design is little bit changed. This is also ikat motifs in the border, and but it has the ikat. I am showing you the ikat weaving in the red ikat weaving border design with the Korat design. This is the sari look. It's red and white combination, rich look sari with zari weaving korat design all over the sari, and the pallu is in running. This is white pallu with ikat motifs on it, and it has the small buttas also in red color buttas. So this is the pallu, and it has the running blouse piece also. This is a red color running blouse piece. This sari price is little bit higher. This sari price is 3,250. It has the ikat design all over the sari. This is the sari look. If you like, please take a screenshot. This is another sari in white with black color combination. It has the korat design in borders, and it has the ikat weaving designs also. So that's why this sari price is little bit higher. This is a body look, and this is a sari look. All over the sari going through the same way. Yeah, this is the sari look, and pallu is has the small buttas with the black color combination, black with white color combination buttas in the pallu, and ikat motif also, and it has the contrast blouse piece. It's grey color with the grey with black color combination, contrast blouse piece. This is the sari look. All these saris are pure linen. It's linen by linen, pure linen, and this sari price is 3,250. If you like the sari, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. We are doing wholesale also, so if you like to take wholesale, then you can contact the same number 7890721706. And if you like our sarees, like our video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for your regular notification. This is our last saree of this episode. This is yellow with red color combination, linen jamdani saree, korat work design both side border with the ikat motifs on it, and the yellow body and yellow pallu. This is also yellow pallu with red buttas and ikat motifs also in the pallu, both side border, and it has the running blouse piece in contrast red color running blouse piece. This is pure linen jamdani sari. This sari price is 3,250. If you like the sari, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. And if you like our sarees, like our video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for your regular notification. That's all for today. Happy shopping with us. Bye bye.